Habang may makakataon pa. Okay lang pa.
Max!
Awanan ka na. Maliwanan ka na. Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, would like to welcome our VIPs for today. Okay, our very own labor attaché, Honorable Justin Ortega.
Sumama ka rin.
Once again, good afternoon po. And our Vice Consul, Honorable Kerstop K. D. Ocampo. Hi po, sir and ma'am. And
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am.
yes.
Welcome.
And while waiting for the others to come over, so we okay, since then partner, you know. Ayan. So, fun na po tayo. Fun. Bonify.
Di naman ako live eh. About to upload pa lang. Hello! Hi! Good afternoon!
Okay. Barley juice po.
Hi!
Ayan, may sponsor
Denise,
tayo.
isa! Kilala mo? Yeah, of course!
Sa biyaya ng dapat, buhay ko ay may kalinga sa pagsubok at bumbay na siyang maramay ang Panginoon.
So, big boss ko to sa aking part-time kada weekend. So, ito po, umpisahan na po natin ang ating programa. Okay, salamat po sa inyong lahat po, ha? Okay, once again, give it a hand to our band.
Not only Zumba. Sa Zumba natin is may twist.
May twist ba?
Yes.
Let's twist again.
No.
Okay, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. So, baba na tayo, partner.
Yes.
Kasi mag-introduce pa tayo. Okay, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to do some presentation of the Filipino Helping Hands Malaysia, the officers and committees. So, are we all ready? Ikaw na, kasi ako na, wala dyan. Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Filipino Helping Hands Malaysia.
Good day, madam.
Naiyak mo si ma'am. Okay.
Parang energetic na lahat dahil sa inyo. Magandang umaga. Ay, hapon na pala. Ang aga kasi namin nagsimula po kanina.
Muli sa lahat, ako po si Vice Consul Christopher Ocampo, yan sa ating embahada dito sa Kuala Lumpur. At pinapasalamat at unfortunately meron na pong
Okay, thank you.
And of course, may I call on the President and Founder of Filipino Community. May I call on Mr. Julius Gonzalez Eliza.
Alright! And I've seen Ma'am Tina Olaguet, Sis Tina Olaguet. Ano yun? First, from the Filipino Helping Hands. Okay, ayan, more officially na po. Ay, ako, nakiyaw ko niyan. It's all the Filipino mag-exercise pa tayo pagpasok ha. Then after that, yun na yung second song natin, doon na yung judging natin. So all the judges, secret judges natin, please get ready. Ano ba yan? Sige na, sayaw!
Pare check!
Ayun, thank you!
Yes?
Pinoy!
Manang si Listina Olaguer. Of course. Ayan. Alright. And other one is Miss Venos. Asan si Saturn?
To the Filipino Helping Hands Malaysia, officers who works tirelessly behind the scenes to make this unwavering support over the 10 years. There would be no us without one's life. Let's keep the spirit of helping alive in everything we do. Thank you once again for making our 10th year anniversary so special. So we hope you all had a fantastic time and created a lasting memories today. Wishing you all safe journey home, and we look forward to seeing you on our next anniversary next year. Good day, everyone.